Okay, let me go over the layers just very briefly, just so you get the idea of it. The nice thing with the layers is that on your tablet, you can filter things by layers. You can even filter points by layers. So these points represent where I put these layers represent where I put the points. The points are not actually on the CAD, they're on a Hilti layer that you make in here. And you can add a bunch of layers, so I could say sleeve layer. This is where I'm going to put I can even give it a color. Let me give it red. I say okay. So I have a sleeve layer, and then let's say I have a drywall layer. I'll make this one blue. So if I'm putting points, let me make this my active layer by checking it. Sorry, let me make this my active layer. Let's say I'm putting points on that layer. They're actually going to be blue points. Kind of cool, right? And then let me make my sleeve layer active. Putting sleeves down. I know this is not a sleeve. Well, here we go. Here's a sleeve. Right, now they're red. So that's one way you can kind of use these layers. You can make certain points different colors this way. You can come back here and edit this layer and make all the points on this layer orange. Right? So you can always come back in here and edit different layers for your different points. That might help you out. I could definitely see that being helpful. Let's say that you have a few points that are on the wrong layer that you need to move to another layer. You can say move points. You come out here and I was only going to find the points on that layer, so hang on. So if I make this my active layer, I'm going to move points on that layer and highlight the points. I'm going to say enter. And now I can say actually I need these to be on the drywall layer. So now those points are now on the drywall layer instead of the Hilti default. That's how you move points. Now you can do the same thing with CAD entities. So if I can say move CAD entities, let's say I need to move this and this. Say enter to the floor layer. It will do that, and it will change their color too. So you can move. Again, the whole point behind this is that you can go into your tablet and mess with the layers yourself, and you can prearrange it on here of how you want to view your drawing when you're out in the field. So add points, change point colors this way, and then you can also move those points to different layers, and then you can have your CAD layers, change those colors, change where they are, so you can easily navigate through your tablet, turn things on and off so you can visualize things better in the field. And then of course, let me just delete this guy. You can delete layers too. I'm not going to delete it, but it will remove it. So that is how you use layers.